Week 2, day 4 of unbigging my back in 3 weeks, honey. It was raining today, so there's no workout. We are going to spend our morning packing. This big ass bag is holding 2 large magic bags. If you know, friend, you simply know. This is my closet. I don't have a lot of clothes in there because I kind of already halfway packed most of my stuff, but I got about 4 suitcases worth of stuff. If you guys don't know, I'll be in the United States on Saturday teaching you guys all about grants and making sure you don't miss out on small business grant opportunities. I like the Gucci bags because I use them for like my makeup and all of the, stuff that's in the bathroom. Now we bringing the shoes over. We putting all shoes and clothes in this big ass bag that, shout out to my landlord, she left it there for me. I asked her if I can take it with me. She said, yeah, she is an absolute doll. This red bag I will be using for my technology. So my laptops, my, iPad, obviously, my camera equipment, ring lights, all of that good stuff. Then we need to move to this bathroom, honey. Now the bathroom is what's going to take majority of our time. I'm getting everything from all the bottom of the drawers, even Murphy stuff. And I'm so bittersweet about having to leave Murphy with a friend of mine, but I am definitely comfortable with leaving him for a couple of months. Now we are cleaning out the drawer. I know y'all like this type of content, something very satisfying to see when the finishing touches. In the girls' bathroom, the whole damn hair still gonna be on there, baby, okay? We don't just wake up looking like Beyonce. We got to use some products to make us look this good. But trust and believe, the confidence is there, hun. The confidence is there. All right, so I'm cleaning out my drawers, okay? It's full of a whole bunch of crap, as y'all can see. I'm so embarrassed. Here's me using those Gucci bags that I told you I like to keep. And this is my big ass Old Faithful, honey. Old Faithful Tommy Hilfiger all pink large suitcase. This suitcase has been with me since 2016. And summer 2016 was a time to be alive, honey, okay? So this thing is all dented up. Shout out to Spirit for denting up my shit. But it's okay, all right? I done already did a claim. You think they gave me my money back? No, they didn't. So this is Murphy stuff in all of the packages. All of my suitcases. And all, it's so bittersweet, but I'll be back in Panama. Once I'm done packing, I'm getting on YouTube Live to tell y'all more about grant opportunities. You know, I love talking about it. I remember I never showed y'all that I have a 3-bedroom house. I got rich off of grants, moved outside of the United States, and I moved to Latin America, Panama, okay? Not Panama City, Florida. Panama, baby. Grants did this for me. So get in with me so you can learn how to search and apply for grants for your startup or for your small business. What you waiting on, okay? We not done with the day. I'm going to go see my girl, my nail tech, Gigi at Gigi Nails, up the street, okay? That 1 mile walk I do, she's right up there in that same plaza. I love when my nails come out exactly like how I envisioned it. And this is my nail tech. Love her so much. All right, and then, this today was pretty gloomy. Like I said, it was raining, but it still was a whole vibe. Happy 4th of July to y'all, okay? I got my nails done, had my wax appointment, and I'm feeling real good, clean, and fresh.